morning, pare, parang Piping, Chito. Birthday mo pala ngayon, so I was requested na come up with the video and to greet you, being my classmate, my kumpare, my contemporary. Birthday mo, hindi ka nagpaparamdam, so I was able to know it. Pinost lang ng anak mo sa DCOM 73. So he requested for a video purposely to greet you on your birthday. So gusto ka na? You will ask me, okay lang me, wala naman problema. Quite happy and receiving a pension quite big. At any rate, ang birthday wish ko lang sa'yo is ang tawag dito, long life and be healthy. I understand na nag-i-insulin ka na raw and there's also you keep on smoking. Are mate, you should not do that kasi try your best, you and me, to be, mahaba pa buhay natin whatever our status in life. So I understand you still keep on smoking. Iwasan mo na yan kasi tsaka drinking. Ako, inalis ko na lahat yan, even mga bisyo natin ng araw. Kasi mahirap ang magkasakit and hospital. I was once hospitalized in Asia. So gumastos ako ng 1 million. So at this point in time, ang gagawin mo dyan, you have to keep and be healthy always. Para magkikita-kita pa tayo and whatever our status in life, basta importante is we are still alive and kicking. So at this point, if you have time to attend the DCOM 73 activities and get together, sinabi ko sa kanila, mag-resign ako and so that others may take over. Nagbigyan ko lang sila. So at any rate, yung occasion naman natin is twice a year na lang, June and December. So we have time sa October. Pinopost ko naman yan sa sa DCOM 73 and si Loli naman nababasa naman niya. Why not mag-cellphone ka to keep yourself busy, so di ko na pahabain. So what is important, treat kita sa birthday mo, hindi kita nakakalimutan and you should keep in touch with each other. So before I end up, regards lang kay Loli and the rest your families, sa mga anak mo at saka apo mo. Yun lang. And may time ka, I know your status now, medyo mahirap maglakad, but you have to try and keep on walking and exercise para we could prolong our life together. Okay? So ako kasi nagja-jogging ako sa SM almost every day, so that's why I'm quite healthy. So yun na lang, and regards na lang kay Loli, and that was it. At least nag-greet sa birthday mo as requested by your son. Okay? Babayo and God bless. Hope to see you some other time. Thank you. Bye-bye.